Hello builders, today we show you 4 different sizes of Eurodoor steel security door. This one is a single standard door, 90 centimeters wide by 7 feet high or 2.2 centimeters high. So 90 centimeters by 220 centimeters. Next, double door. So from here, from single, we come to double door because it has an extra leaf. This leaf can be, remember, it can be opened. This is what we call a leaf. So this is what we call the small leaf. It has an extra leaf. That's why we call it, we mean it by double door. So the double door here, it's 2 of them. This is the main leaf that you'll use. So when we say double door, we mean this, 2 leaves. Single door is 1 leaf. And therefore, this is single door, double door, but 7 feet high. Again, double door, but 8 feet high. It's the same width as this, 1.2 meters wide or 3 feet. The same 1.2 meters wide or 3 feet, but height is more because we have this glass and grill on top to allow more natural light into your home. And that becomes 4 feet by 8 feet or 1.2 meters by 2.4 meters high. And finally, the bigger size that we stock, it's 5 feet or this 90 plus 60, 5 feet or 1.5 meters wide by 2.4 meters high. Again, it has glass, factory fitted glass and grill to allow more natural light. Remember, we could go on and on. After this size, you have to order because that door is from 1.8 meters wide, 2 meters wide, 2.4 meters wide. We have such clients, we've customized many of them wider doors than that so that they can meet the dream that they have for their dream home and they can get what they deserve. Thank you so much. I hope you understand the issue of sizes. Leave your comments below. What size would you like to have in your dream home? Give me your comments. Let us know. Thank you.